Alright, hopefully that will stay up there. I'm having problems with my little GoPro. But I just got this package in the mail the other day. Waiting to open it up. Had to clean off the table. Had a lot of sawdust and everything. Just got finished building the table. And we got this package from Viasue. They're out of Mineral, Virginia. They have lap counters, turnkey, plug and play lap counters, and I got one. Saw the reviews online. I seen, watched numerous YouTube videos on it, and I was pleased. And all I really needed was a lap counter timer, but they offer so much more, and they have some that just come with all the bells and whistles and everything. And that wasn't something I really wanted at this time, but they made it clear that all I had to do was send back this little what is this? Some packaging material, some shredded paper, but here it is. All they said, just return this piece and they reprogram it or something like that, and they can do a fuel thing, pit stop, all that good stuff. Packaged with the shredded on the bottom and on the top. Very good package job, nice and neat, compact. I sent them my track, two 9-inch straight AFX Aurora, like the 1970. I don't want to cut this in the wrong place. Like 1970 era, that type of slot track. Very, very careful with this. It's a CD. Just put the CD in and download it and run it, whatever. And it's very, very simple. I just did the unboxing right now just to look at the work that they did, and if everything's here is complete. This is I guess the gantry here. Got the shopping bag package job. Some tape wrapped around the cord right there. Perfect. It's exactly what I wanted. It's exactly how I wanted it. That is perfect. Take a look at this. I'm all excited about this right here. See if this is the way. This is, they call it the zero footprint gantry, and that's what it is. But it's going to be integrated into a crosswalk. And I got the blue lights. Those are the blue LEDs, and this is for a 4-car, 4-lane race set. That's beautiful. Look at that. Do you see that? That is very, very beautiful work. Excellent, nice, clean. Works perfectly. I am not, that's just a little, I'm not too sure what that is, but I'm not going to mess around with that. That's the USB. I guess that one of these plugs into here, one of them goes into the computer. this right here is my track that I sent them. And that's perfect. And that's the sensors. I guess the sensors are covered. Photo sensors. That, oh, beautiful, nice work. Look at that. Nice straight line going right across there. Those are the sensors. Right there. Back plate. Very pleased with the quality and craftsmanship that went into it. Packaging was great. Now what I'm going to do is follow these instructions. Some right there. Lap counters. It's a Viasue and race coordinator. Got a Minerals, Virginia. And they're all over YouTube. So just type in Viasue and you will find them. Or you can go to Viasue.com and racecoordinator.net. Very good. Very, very happy. Next, waiting for a couple more pieces of track to come in from Slot Car Central. So I can do my power taps, and hopefully this weekend we'll have the track up and be testing all this. But tonight I'll be playing with the CD and trying to figure out all the computer settings and everything on there tonight. And I'm very, very happy with this. This is great. Love this thing, man. It's turnkey operation for $140, and you got yourself a the program, all electronics worked out. It's proven. It's we know what it does. You know, there's no guesswork. We know what it's going to do. Light gantry plugs into there. This goes into there. That goes into a USB port in the computer. Put the CD in. That's it. What more do you want? That's it. Very clean, nice professional job. Love it. Nice shielded wire right there. Very nice. Thumbs up, guys. Did a great job. Let's see how it performs over the weekend. See ya.